Finding the right niche for your Instagram account can help you grow your followers and engagement. Here's a step-by-step guide. Self-assessment. Start by assessing your interests, passions, and skills. What are you genuinely enthusiastic about? Your niche should align with your genuine interests to maintain your enthusiasm in the long run. Market research. Use Instagram search and explore features to research popular niches. Look at trending hashtags and top accounts within your areas of interest. Identify your audience. Consider who you want to target. Define your ideal follower, their demographics, interests, and pain points. Understanding your audience is essential for creating relevant content. Competition analysis. Analyze Instagram accounts that are successful in your chosen niches. Look at the content they post, their engagement rates, and the strategies they use. Niche down. Rather than targeting broad categories like travel or fitness, narrow your focus. For example, you could specialize in sustainable travel tips or keto diet recipes. Unique angle. Determine what sets you apart from others in the same niche. Emphasize your unique perspective, style, or expertise. Content planning. Create a content plan and posting schedule. Consider the types of content you will create, such as photos, videos, stories, or reels. Engagement strategy. Develop a strategy to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions in your captions, and use Instagram's interactive features. Consistency. Consistency is key. Post regularly and at optimal times for your audience. Use scheduling tools to plan and automate posts. Evaluate and adjust. Monitor your Instagram insights to track your progress. Adjust your content and strategy based on what works best for your audience.